We're doing the chrome cleaning services. It's pretty cool. Hi, how we doing, ma'am? We're just the chrome experts. You go through a car wash, it looks like, right? But it doesn't get this. We are here in Holiday, Utah, and we are deciding to start this show called Will It Sell? So what I'm gonna ask you guys to do is in the comments to pick any random product or service you think we could sell on the doors or maybe can't sell. I'm then going to be challenged to go to a random neighborhood, use my 5-step pitch that I teach in Door-to-Door University. And if you're interested in D2D University, there's a link below. And I'm gonna prove to you that it could be sold any neighborhood, any product, and the pitch works. And we're about to dive in, so watch this. Okay, so in this episode, we're gonna be selling chrome cleaning services, meaning we can only clean the chrome elements of the car. So, for example, we would pitch this guy on, this is the chrome side. We can't necessarily clean this bird shit off, we don't have that, but we will clean the chrome side of the car. We'll see how we do it. All right, so 5 steps to a door approach, introduction, what we're doing, why we're doing it, pull back, transition. Let's do it. First door, we'll see how it goes.
There's a lot of chrome in this driveway.
What's it cost?
Huh?
$19.
Yeah, 19 bucks.
That's cheap. Let's go $39.
$39.
39 bucks.
We got a doggy.
How about 19 a tire?
We do, if it's body chrome, it's $20. Tires are an additional.
Super confusing pricing model.
Yeah, $10 per chrome wheel.
Per chrome
So
wheel.
$40 if you want the full set.
Or you could just do one.
You can just do one.
Totally up to you.
Yeah.
Some people just like the front driver tire because every time they walk up, they want to just be like, ah. They don't pay attention to the freaking passenger tire.
That would be hilarious. Can you imagine if you sell one? And I only take pennies as form of payment?
Yeah. I take coins.
Yeah, you take a big old jug.
And smash. They got like multi-truck service, bro. Look at this. They don't mess around. They all got, are those Raptors?
Those are not Raptors.
What are those?
Those are like F-350s.
They look sick. Or just did they change the grills? Oh, wow. All right.
Beautiful homes. We had to pick the nicest neighborhood in all of Holiday.
Hey, how are we doing?
Good, how are you?
Are you the homeowner?
No.
The daughter of homeowner?
Yes.
Do you own a car?
No.
Who owns a car that lives here?
What's up?
It's pretty important. We're doing the chrome cleaning services.
Oh.
It's pretty cool. So we just specialize cleaning for the chrome on the
Nice.
cars.
That's way cool.
It's pretty dope. We noticed there is a car. Whose is
Yes.
that?
That is my, which one?
It's a black one.
Oh, that's my brother's.
Brothers.
Yeah.
Mom, dad home?
No, not the limit. Sorry.
Maybe we have to sell your pest control guys. All right, I'll try then.
Sorry about that.
Okay, you're good. Let's sell this guy. All right, let's sell these guys.
Okay.
This is gonna be a harder sell. How we doing?
Bag on
Yeah,
this.
look, yeah. We got 13
Dude,
different
so
chrome.
much chrome in
I
this.
counted the tires.
Wow, he's got 2 Audis. Look at that chrome, man.
Yeah, you got chrome on chrome. Looks like it's been a while since the chrome's been
Oh boy, what do we got here, Sam? No soliciting.
Oh
Good thing we're just not selling anything. We're just working with the neighbors, right?
No, we're offering chrome services. Hi, how we doing, ma'am? We're just the chrome experts. Have you guys heard of the chrome?
I really would appreciate if people would look at this.
Ah, that's a very well manicured sign.
Yes, thank you.
So we're doing the chrome. You know the tires you have right here? So we actually take a special ionized cleaning service. I tried. All right, that was rough. Wait, boat cleaning. Boat and chrome.
Oh, are they moving?
Yeah, but they still got shit
Yeah.
and a truck.
They still got a bunch of pennies laying around.
Yep,
Or they're just moving in or something.
moving in. Actually, I can't tell you if they're home. The dog is home.
The dog is home.
Let me super clean chrome picture this. Watch this. It's just a Google photo. Just show him this. Here's our before and afters.
No.
That guy looks way too legit. Hey, real quick, you guys got a second? Yes, sir. Whose car is this? Oh my gosh, I got something for you. Come here. This is hey, what year is the Rogue?
It's a 2010.
Now, don't go rogue on me real quick, but come here, let me show you real quick on your tire. So what we're doing is actually chrome cleaning services. So you can tell this has not been cleaned for how long? You go through a car wash, it looks like, right? But it doesn't get this. So what we found is the actual erosion takes place and we can make them go from here to here. It's freaking epic. So what we do is we charge 10 bucks a tire and we actually throw in for free all of these extra chrome elements because chrome cleaning, little people know, is very different than just your standard like exterior car cleaning. Have you guys ever had it like professionally detailed? They don't even do the chrome specialized ionized treatment that we do. We can't clean the whole car. You can go through a car wash, quick quack, mister, whatever, you know. Are you guys the ones that do the self-clean or the, yeah, you get the quarters or whatever? Good, because we only take quarters as payment. So it's only, just trying to say. So anyway, we usually have our jar that we walk around with, but we just forget it every once in a while. So it's 10 bucks a tire, so it'd be 40 bucks, and we can throw in the extra chrome elements for free. Because you obviously have some chrome here. What I love is taking a before and after and showing you just this freaking Nissan logo right there. What do you say? So obviously, like, I know you're probably busy. Do you live here or just visiting?
Just visiting.
Just visiting? Here, yeah. You do live here? Yeah. Are you gonna be here for a minute?
Yeah, for a little bit.
Okay, like at least an hour?
We might be running in.
Okay, 30 minutes. If I could get it knocked out in 30 minutes, I got my truck right around the corner. It's got all the ionization, the pressure sprayer, everything, all the chemical stuff that it takes to get out the grit. Would you do it? We take cash, card, or quarters. Let me ask you this.
Do it.
Is it the money?
Money and time.
Time. So if I could get it knocked out in 30 minutes. Our guys are right around the corner.
Can't do it. But thank you.
Is it the money?
Sure, yeah.
So if it was less, would you do it?
Thank you.
How much would you do it for?
Free.
Come on, I'm not a charity out here. What's your name?
I'm Dana.
Dana, Sam, nice to meet you.
Nice to
We've just been working hard. I know you probably like do whatever you do for, what do you do for a living?
I work in childcare.
That's so much cooler than cleaning people's chromes and tires. So let me ask you this. If we could do it for, instead of 10 bucks a tire, we'd do it for $7.50 a tire. I'll get it knocked out in 30 minutes. Would you say yes? No? Would you chip in? Is this your girlfriend? Yeah. Sister? Girlfriend. This is that moment you step in, my man.
If you did my truck instead.
I only can do Rogues, dude. Nissan. I'm not a Ford guy.
Legitimately?
Legitimately, they don't let me do Fords. I'm just kidding. I can do your Ford, bro. If we did your truck, I mean, yeah. I'm just messing, bro. Can we knock out your truck?
I mean, it'll be parked here for a while.
Yeah, let's knock it out.
Venmo?
Yeah, Venmo. We take cash, Venmo, or quarters.
I mean, we could run our errands.
Yeah, do your errands, and then I'll just text you my Venmo.
Sounds good.
That work?
That sounds fantastic.
Okay, just kidding. I don't even sell chrome cleaning. We're just making a show. It's called Will It Sell? And I just made all that shit up. So it was pretty good.
Impressed.
That was pretty good, right? I just had to.
That was funny, dude.
Yeah, dude. He's a camera guy. High five. We're just making random videos, dude. I don't sell chrome cleaning. This is Google, dude.
Oh my gosh.
That was
You guys just wasted their time.
I'm just stoked, though. You said yes. That's all that matters.
Got it.
You're the first person we talked to.
I've
So
been having trouble cleaning those
you're a
rims
good
for
sales
so
guy.
long, man. So
He was excited. Now you gotta find a chrome guy for him, man. You gotta find a chrome guy for him.
I do. That was epic. Hey, but hey, I love it. Thank you guys for playing along. That was awesome.
Absolutely, man.
Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you.
Sorry for the time wasted.
Hey, it was fun. One for one.
Let's go, baby. People like chrome.
Oh no, I guess we didn't get that lady, the no soliciting.
Oh, right.
That one counts.
Men more than women. She wouldn't
Bro,
bite.
she wouldn't bite, but I had her on that.
Yeah.
I was like, hey, we'll do. I mean, think about that. I would have made 40 bucks in
40 bucks in
15 minutes.
literally
bro.
parked one car.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude.
It's like all I need to do is a scrubber and a freaking soap box, and I made
Yet
40
there's
bucks.
people
Like,
out here that are just like, it's just too
I
hard.
can't
out here.
sell
I
shit.
can't
I'm like,
do
I
it.
picked the randomest thing. Well, I can't clean the rest. I can do this. Like,
Yeah.
hey, look,
Oh my
that
gosh.
was the best. Okay, let's do one more right here.
Okay.
Okay, here we go. Hey, man. Hey, sorry to bug you. Is this your car or are you stealing it?
This is my car, but I don't live here.
No, good. No, we're not looking for the homeowner. We're actually doing the chrome cleaning services. So the car's obviously a little dirty. We can't do anything about that. Do you guys go through regular?
Sure, sparkling.
No, look at the outside. Let's be real. You got like kids' handprints. You got all sorts of things.
7 kids.
Oh, congratulations. Is this a Honda Odyssey?
No, I wish.
What
It's
is
a
it? Oh, the
Chrysler.
Chrysler. My mom had the Odyssey is what we called it. The soccer
Oh,
mom car.
I used to have one.
Nah, they're solid. The auto doors, you know, the nice trunk. So what we do is actually specialize in the tire chrome cleaning, and then we obviously all these elements, because when you go through a traditional car wash, most of the time they don't use the special ionized cleaner that we use. So we really deep clean the chrome parts of the tire. Do you live around here, or where do you live?
I do not. I just work here.
Oh, you work here. Where do you live?
I live in Daybreak.
Daybreak, awesome. We service Daybreak too. So we actually we have a guy that comes around, and that's basically it's $10 a tire. And what happens is it actually helps with the age and the resale value of the car, because a lot of times the chrome, it actually attracts a more deterioration biobacteria that actually gets deep into the chrome, which causes you, do you know how much it is to replace the tire, the chrome elements? It's expensive.
Out of my budget.
Yeah, how long have you had this car?
3 years.
3 years. And you're gonna resell it at some point, right?
As soon as I'm not negative on it.
Well, hopefully that's sooner than later. I got you. What's your name?
Daleen.
Daleen. That's a beautiful name. I've never heard of Daleen. Have you ever met other Daleens?
I have not.
That's
My
kind of
dad
cool.
made it up.
I was gonna say, I was like,
Your dad-
and you live in
Da-
Daybreak. You could be like the mayor of Daybreak, being Daleen. Let's be real.
I'm good. I got enough of it.
I'm Sam, Miss 7 Kids Daleen.
So nice to meet you. What's
So
your name?
this
Hunter.
is Hunter.
Hunter, nice to meet you.
Likewise.
So we get you on the schedule. It's $10 a tire, and then we throw all the other chrome elements in for free. So including the exterior window brakes, the handle brakes, and we just schedule a time. We can stop by your place out in Daybreak and get it knocked out.
So normally I actually would love to do that.
You would?
But I am broke.
Broke.
I'm a single mom and I only have a part-time job right now. So
Single, 7 kids. So the other thing we do in the day, like my day job, is we have a dating service.
well, I'm going to see my boyfriend right now.
Ah, snap! Striked out on both of our day jobs. Dang it! All right, Daleen, you have an amazing day. Thank you. Pun intended. So, an important part about door knocking is being able to be intuitive with people and actually talk to them as people and have a good time. Make a friend. Why would she buy that? Because she likes you. And she's like, what the heck? Why not? Let's try it. Because people want to buy from people they like. Simple. If you got some value out of this video, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys on the next episode.